Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to explain to you how you can make an image black and white you have inserted into your documents or text documents on Google Docs in 2026. So let us get started. Navigate to the text document with the image. I inserted this for demonstration purposes. So left click into the image, navigate to image options here at the top, or alternatively click into these three dots and select all image options. Here to the right, expand the recolor tab, and from the drop down menu, scroll down, choose your recolor style, and use one that looks like a black and white, which is usually the Grayscale Recoloring here, and that is going to apply a black and white color. Now, if you head back to the image options and expand the adjustment, you may, for example, change the brightness and the contrast here using these sliders to adjust your preferred black and white effect or filter intensity. Or alternatively, use these buttons here to the right to adjust it. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.